everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for July 20th through the 26th. And the spread theme for this week is going to be motivational. Now I don't think you have to look very hard in all the Happy Planner sticker collections to find motivational stickers. So I had quite a bit of fun searching through all my books, picking out some of my favorites. That's part of what I love about the Happy Planner line, is all of their positive and motivational stickers, colorful, creative. Right now I'm laying down my washi tape. This washi tape itself is pretty colorful. It is a mini washi tape. I don't know if this would be considered like what, 6mm maybe? But it's actually got two different, it's kind of striped. It's got more of a blue pattern on the bottom and then more of a multicolored pattern on the top. One other thing I love about the Happy Planner motivational stickers is so many of them that have good quote stickers. And I'm a sucker for a good quote. I have always loved quotes. I have a Bartlett's book of quotes in my library. That's how much I love quotes. I think something that is said or heard at the right time in somebody's life, meaning a good quote, can really be life-changing. I know I've experienced that in my own life. Something heard the right way, the right time, can be very transformative. I like that. That's cool washi tape. Okay, let's see here. So I've gone ahead and pulled several different stickers, trying to keep somewhat of a color theme in addition to a topic theme. So we're gonna go with this quote sticker. Again, I had like tons to choose from, but this one was one of the first, and I thought, you know what? It's very true. It says, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. And I find that happens a lot in my life. I need to make adjustments along the way. And I like this one for kind of a big decorative box sticker. Get it done. Little checkbox for the weekend. And then we have hello weekend. And then I've just pulled a kind of a combination of decorative boxes. I like this one, even though it was made for the big Happy Planner. I wonder, should I cut that? No, I'm gonna leave it big. Sometimes I like using these big Happy Planner stickers because you can layer. And I want to layer a task box. So that can be for Monday. Oh man, I wish I had more of this size boxes. Okay. There we go. So that can be for Wednesday. Do this for Tuesday. For Thursday, let's see. We've got options. This quote sticker says, a year from now, you wish you would have started today. I like that. You are much stronger than you think. And I like that the black kind of ties in with the black over here. Little decorative box there. I'm realizing as I'm doing this I don't really have any headers. I don't think I'm going to use any headers because there's so many quotes on this spread. So I don't want it to be too wordy. So let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and something for Thursday. We'll do a checkbox. Kept going. I had pulled this big sticker, and now I'm wondering if I still want to use it. I think I'm going to, but I'm going to put it up here because it's transparent. And I think we all know what days of the week it is. And I'm going to cut it right in the middle. Okay. that's fun. And I'll have to punch this. Anytime you put a sticker over the punch binding, you just got to put something behind it, like a piece of paper. And then punch it. And that way it'll punch the sticker. So you just line it up with a piece of paper in the back. And then take your punch and kind of line it up. I'm just going to put it under the last punch here so it doesn't punch through other holes. And there you go. And I need to do that on the other side. And this time I'll go on this end. Kind of line it up. And there you go. Need something on this sticker. But not for the weekend. I'm working it. Busy, busy, busy. Oh yay. And then last but not least, I have all these thumbs up stickers. And I don't know when else I'm going to use them. So, I'm just going to decorate with some random thumbs up. I find when you do something like this, where you're adding a bunch of decorative elements, you kind of need to add a lot for impact. Otherwise it just looks kind of random and weird. And as I've said before on my channel, I like using stickers. I'm not the kind of person who just, I don't want to say hoards stickers, but I'm kind of like this with everything in my life. I use it, I call it, oh, I just realized my camera stopped recording, so I don't know where it cut off. But as I was saying, I already have a ton of Happy Planner stickers, so I'm not really worried about running out. I think that looks cute. So I think that's going to be it for this spread, this motivational spread. Hopefully it motivates me this week to get everything done that I want to get done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It'll help it get seen on different people's YouTube channels. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.